Melted butter magic. Understanding a delicious English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might encounter in recipes or while dining out. Melted butter. Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning, use, and context of this deliciously interesting phrase. Melted butter refers to butter that has been turned from a solid to a liquid. This transformation occurs through the application of heat. It's a simple concept, but the phrase is a staple in culinary contexts, often used in recipes for baking and cooking. In this section, we'll dive into how melted butter is used in cooking. From adding richness to sauces to ensuring that baked goods come out moist and tender, melted butter is a key ingredient in a variety of dishes. We'll look at some examples of recipes where melted butter plays a star role. Butter isn't just a cooking ingredient. It has cultural significance in many parts of the world. In this part of the video, we'll talk about the historical and cultural importance of butter. From being a symbol of purity in Indian culture to its traditional churning process in Europe, butter has a rich history worth melting into. Beyond the kitchen, butter is also used in English idiomatic expressions. Phrases like butter means something is smooth or effortless. We'll explore these expressions and how they're used in everyday language. We hope this video has clarified the phrase, melted butter, for you. Whether you're reading a recipe or enjoying a meal, you'll now understand not just the meaning, but also the context and significance of this phrase. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for another tasty English lesson.